What's up, everyone? If you're a true tech head who's tired of the same old iPhone versus Samsung debate, you need to stop what you're doing and listen up. Sony is coming in hot, and they are about to drop a phone that changes the entire game. That's right, we've got a full spec leak on the most anticipated Sony phone yet, the Xperia 1 Mark 8. And let me tell you, this thing isn't just playing catch up, it's looking to dominate. So smash that like button and subscribe, because you're getting the world exclusive breakdown right here, right now. Let's start. Features of the Sony Xperia 1 Mark 8. Display and design. First up, the screen. Because if there's one thing Sony knows, it's visuals. This beast is rocking a massive 6.65-inch 4K HDR OLED display. Let that sink in. 4K, on your phone. We're talking razor-sharp details, over a billion colors, and buttery-smooth 120Hz motion. But it's not just pretty, it's tough. It's protected by the latest Gorilla Glass Victus 3, and it's got an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor built right in. This isn't just a screen, it's the best portable movie theater you can fit in your jeans. Camera setup. Alright, let's talk about the main event. The camera. This is where Sony flexes on everyone. We're looking at a triple lens setup designed for pros. You get a 50-megapixel main shooter, that eats low light for breakfast, a 12-megapixel telephoto, and here's the killer, a 48-megapixel periscope lens with up to 6x optical zoom. That's right, optical zoom, not that crunchy digital stuff. You can practically take photos of the moon with this thing. And for all your selfies and video calls, there's a nasty 32-megapixel front-facing camera. Your Instagram feed is about to level up, big time. Performance. Hold on to your seats, because it's running on the brand new, not even released yet Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 chipset. This chip is an absolute animal. We're talking console-level gaming, seamless 8K video editing, and multitasking that would make a supercomputer jealous. Paired with the latest Android 16, this phone isn't just fast, it's from the future. Battery backup. And with all that power, you need a battery that can keep up, right? The Xperia 1 8 packs a 5200 mAh battery. That's an all-day battery, easily. And when you do need a charge, it's stupid fast. 66-watt wired charging, 15-watt wireless, and a super fast USB-C port. You get a massive boost in just like 20 minutes. Price and launch date. Alright, the two questions everyone is asking. How much, and when? Based on these leaks, get ready for a premium price tag. We're looking at around $1,500 here in the USA. It's a lot, but you're getting what might be the most powerful Android phone on the planet. And when can you get your hands on it? Mark your calendars for mid-next year. The summer of 2026 is about to get a whole lot more interesting.